Okay, here's my chicken that I fried in the oven. It's usually what it looks like. It's a little funky, but oh my god, the flavor is so good. I just ate like 2 pieces, and there's a little bite from the cayenne pepper that I put in. And with this, you can also, what you can do is you can save the remnants, and you can make a gravy sauce. And you can make a smothered chicken if you'd like. So delicious. Serve that over rice. And oh my god, you have a really good hearty meal. Okay. And of course you can make this in large trays. But the main thing is that you want to flip it over, which I forgot to do. So, and it kind of got stuck when I did flip it over. So I didn't flip it over like I did. But it's still very good. It's moist. It's delicious, and doesn't have all the fat of frying, but has the flavor of a fried chicken. Okay, talk to you later.